Big fancy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Planet Install video.
Hey!
Ironically, what are we doing today? Another install video. And shout out to the 7 of you, 8 including us,
Woo!
for watching or I guess yesterday's video at this time. But yeah, we're killing it. We're out here making all the dough with 7 fucking viewers. It's real weird when you have like 600 subscribers and you get
7 of you watch.
And only 7 of you watch. It's
math ain't mathin'.
Math ain't mathin', but
hit that bell button.
Hit the bell and like do all the things and such, cause
watch it even if it's in the background. Like
like you don't have to enjoy it, just watch it. Anyway,
well, we've got a box here today, and it's already been opened, but we're gonna be doing some high quality car lights for you, bud.
Well, it says high quality car light for you.
Yeah.
That doesn't seem Chinese as shit.
Isn't this an American muscle car? Huh. The math ain't mathin' once again.
It's fine.
It's fine. Well, we are going to be doing an install video. I'll kind of take these out, insert oof noise here. Oof. But here is what we've got. We're going to get rid of the smoked gyros, put some different ones on, and we're going to kind of keep that 650 look going. I fell in love with these taillights. I didn't like them at first, and then the more I saw them, I was like, they just look so good. Honestly, insert controversial opinion here.
Which is me. Personally, I don't like them, but that's just me.
I think that 650 taillights look better on S550s than they do on the actual 650s.
I just don't know how I feel about those cars in general.
But that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Like I didn't like them on the 650s as much, and then I started seeing 550s using them, and I was like, oh my god, I love those. I don't know. There's just something about them. I think they look better on 550s, which is kind of what drew me to them. But we're going to be putting these in today, so we'll kind of walk you through doing it. These also, you can see there's a sticker up here. They have the LGBT light function.
Oh.
Kind of like those.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I thought RGB stood for really gay balls or something.
No. Put myself where I belong.
Alright guys, well, as you saw, we got some new taillights. We're gonna get this car at least pulled out halfway because we don't want to work in the sun. So
no, we have a garage now.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get just enough room so we can work back there. They're fairly easy to install, just taillights on these cars in general, but there will be a little twist that you'll see here in a moment, but we'll bring you guys back on when we get there. Alright guys, you know how I was saying how easy it is to put taillights in S550s? Well, check this out. Alright, so this is how you do all this jazz. It's pretty simple. You got a couple screwy boys. Oh, my camera!
There should be 4 total, but mine only has 3.
So we're gonna take these guys off, and then literally you just give her a yeetsy daisies, like so, and then boom, it's out of the way. And then you got these 2 10s here, and I believe there's a 3rd one hidden in the back there somewhere. And then your taillights come right out, and obviously you gotta unplug them. So we're gonna do that real quick, and then we'll be right back. Flash. All right, so we got those 2 removed, and the 3rd one is right back there, which I don't know if you can actually see that or not, as dark as it is. But then you got your connector right there. And then you're good to pull her out. So, and then you just got to pull the grommet out of the hole. push it from either side, doesn't matter.
Get out of there, you!
Ta-da!
Yay!
Ejecto taillight-o.
Ejecto taillight.
Boom. €1 for another.
Ah!
So another thing I like to do whenever you take your taillights or something off, you can see you got a lot of crap under there. Not that it really matters, because it's just going to go back, but I mean, you're here, so you give her a little spray down, wipe her down and such. So we're going to do that and give her a good wipe down. And now that I got that one all cleaned up, you can see why you do this, because that's a little gunked up and kind of gross, and I mean, you're here, so you know, might as well just do it. So we're going to get that side sprayed down and cleaned up, and then we can throw these new bad units in. What do you say?
Yes.
There's a bee up there. Oh, there's two!
Not.
Oh, that's a fuzz. My dumbass.
You being a bitch.
I hate you, bees. I hate you, bees.
I hate you, bees. I hate you, bees. I hate you, bees. I hate you, bees. I hate you, bees. I hate you, bees. I hate you, bees.
Get him, Andy.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you get him?
Where is it?
Right there. Whack his ass.
Damn it. We're getting so much dust.
You're getting my car all dirty. Go kick his ass, Andy.
Here, you big old bumbling cocksucker.
Oh, he's dodging and weaving.
Damn it. You know you like the yellow. Yes, you go. Yes, you go, motherfucker.
Oh, he's running. He's running.
Where's the brake clean?
All right, get our first real look at this.
It's like taking a condom off and hitting it raw.
Ew. That's nasty.
So pretty. Now we just gotta slap the little shield on, and then we can.
Yeah, off your old taillights, there's just these 3 clips on the bottom. You just kind of yank it off. As I learned, because I dropped his old headlight on the ground by holding it by this like a fucking dippy egg.
That's all right. That's an beans moment for sure.
It's fine. But yeah, we're gonna slap this in there real quick, or if you want, you gotta slap it in.
Just to kind of give them an idea.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be permanent just yet, but just to kind of give you an idea here of what we're looking at. I can get all this stuffed up in here, kind of like we did to your mom last night. Not in all the way, but ta-da!
Damn. It does kind of fit.
It looks better on the 550s, I'm telling you.
To be honest, it just looks like a different version of the taillights that we already had.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, let's get this bad boy installed so we can show them what it looks like. Yeah.
What the?
Yeah. That sucked. That really sucked.
So explain what we were just doing.
Well, so as you can kind of see, you have to run this yellow wire, and if it works and everything functions, I'll take you up in there and kind of explain it. But you have to basically tap into the 3rd brake light, which is not hard to do, but it does suck. Because you have to pull down the headliner, reach back in there, get the clip, undo it without fucking up your headliner. So that kind of sucks. So we're gonna give her a good old testy test, and then we're gonna...
Basically, you got one that goes to one side of the light, or one light, and then one to the other light, and then that just kind of tees into the 3rd brake light. Now it makes sense, so you actually have to unplug it from here. You have to unplug this one, and I believe that's because that setup is making the taillights stay red when your turn signal is on. And that part makes sense, but the part where it goes into the 3rd brake light and that's what makes it amber doesn't make any sense to me. It's a brake light, not a turn signal.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a different something that's making it, that's seeing something different that indicates, hey, it's supposed to be amber. I don't know, but.
Well, let's give these bad boys a test so we can show you what they look like.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, we got a little bit of an update for you.
They work. So let's just hit the power right quick.
Big fancy, and it does that every time. Like, that's the startup sequence every time. It's RGB, red, green, and blue.
Radical gay balls. So we've got these guys. Now, here's the other cool feature with these. So, purple. Not purple.
Then you hit the brakes.
And back to purple.
Back to red. Back to purple. Back to red. Back to purple. Sick.
They're big fancy.
Yeah. Now your purple taillights will match the purple headlights.
It's almost like I planned this.
You did it on purpose? That's crazy. That's crazy.
It's almost like this was meant to happen.
That's wild. That's pretty good. I mean, it's dirty, but the lights look good.
We got peppered with bird shit.
Yeah, you'll have that.
Birds don't like black cars.
I don't think birds like any vehicle, to be honest.
That's fair.
Yeah.
They targeted mine now.
Yeah. My truck too. I showed you that yesterday.
But that's what we're kind of looking like. Obviously, it's dirty, but
looks pretty good, if you ask me.
That's a pretty damn good good look right there. So now what we're gonna do is hop off the camera, run all this wiring, and then we'll get back to you. Okay guys, so we are currently giving birth in the back seat here, but I wanted to kind of show you what we were talking about. So let me turn this light on so you can actually see. So if you follow inside the trunk, you go up the pillar, right back here under the back of the headliner, that is where the plug is. Now we still need to route all of this wiring, so we're gonna follow it all, you know, all the way back around. It's gonna loop back in through the trunk. But once we do that, we'll zip tie everything up, and then we will actually be all done and everything's installed.
All right, guys, we just got it all wrapped up. Got the wires tucked under everything, so you can't tell.
Tucking wires sucks.
Yeah.
That sucked, because I had to run it around the top, down this pillar, all the way to the edge, loop it around, go underneath the pillar again, feed it through this portion. So feed it through, come around, back behind the carpet, bring it around, plug it in, bring it around, plug it in. And it's hot in that bitch.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it feels good. I'm not gonna lie.
Because it's a nice day today in Ohio. It's like
for once.
70s, 80s probably. First time in a while.
Well, let's give her another
77.
Because that would really...
Oh, the bee's right by your face. Oh, did he just go in your car? Oh, no.
No.
He's next to you, though. He wants some more.
Where is it?
Right up there.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, he's coming for us. Oh, you missed. This is like the 5th time in this video we've been trying to kill this damn thing. Did you get it?
Got it. Oh, I flicked him under your car.
What'd you do that for? You could have stepped on him.
You did.
Yeah. Us 1, B 0.
Give me the brake clean. Give me the brake clean.
Are you serious? I don't think we can put this on YouTube, but...
There he is. Now the driveway's clean.
Yeah.
Clean of that beast's sins.
What the fuck? Alright, we're going to give you one last look now that the trunk is shut, and then we'll call this video a wrap. Big fancy.
One eternity later.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I fuck with it. I fuck with him. We'll see how much trouble I get into for him.
Yeah, I can't imagine that's super legal. I mean, the brake lights come on when you hit the brakes.
The turn signals come on when you hit the signals. It's just...
I mean, the signal part I'm not worried about because there's plenty of cars out there that have
True.
amber turn signals from the factory. But purple running lights...
Illegal only when police there. Police not there, Habibi, everything legal.
What is that from?
TikTok.
Oh.
We'll insert it right here.
Okay.
Illegal only when police there. Police not there, Habibi, everything legal.
But honestly though, I'm happy with them. I think they look great. They'll obviously look a lot better once the car is cleaned up a little bit, which might be the next thing we do. We're gonna kind of finish up some concrete and maybe clean the cars. But that's really gonna wrap it up for this video.
Cool.
So let's do our thing. We can cut this.
Oh, it's this way.
I don't know how you want to transition that, but just...
That was the transition right there. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And get our damn numbers up, brother. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers because we want to do the cool things, okay?
Yes.
And
All the
YouTube is being a jerk sometimes. Like, one video we'll post will do like super freaking good, and then like the one that we felt that was a pretty good video gets 7 freaking views. Like, come on, guys.
Come on.
Just throw us a bone. We promise we got some good stuff coming. Just hang in there. But if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We will see you in the next one. Peace.